Hello and welcome to the video lecture on size of operator in C. The size of operator is basically a unary operator and it is used to calculate the size of the data types. So this operator can be applied to all types of data, and when we are using this operator then we have to use the keyword size of. Okay, and that size of keyword is followed by the type name, variable or the expression. Now whenever we use the operator size of with the variable data type or any expression, then it is going to return the size of that particular data type in bytes. So basically it is used to determine the amount of memory space that the variable expression or data type will take. Now today we'll write a simple program which will show us a memory consumed by the integer, long integer, float, double and character. So for all this, how to use the size of operator, that we'll see through the program. So I have already opened the file. So first line will be hash include, then I will write integer main. Now just you have to write the different printf statements. So printf double quotes /n. You have to write. First we will go for the integer type. So the size of integer is, we'll put a quote here and use the format specifier, and after this we have to use size of operator. So size of, and in bracket you have to write integer. So this will give you the size of integer. Okay, then I will just copy this statement, Control C and Control V. Okay, now I am going to calculate for long integer. So just I will make a change here as a long int, and here also I will make a change, that is long int. Again Control V. Now I will write for a character. Okay, the size, if this is size of, here also, and here also. So size of character. So character is here also, instead of integer you have to write char, right? Then again I am going to now we'll go for a float. So here I will write size of, now instead of integer I will write float, and here also you have to change it to float. Okay, and finally we'll go for double. So again size of double is, here also you have to write double. Okay, so now and finally you have to write return 0. Okay, so now with this simple program we will be able to find out the size of integer, long integer, character, float and double. So I will just first save the program and I am going to compile and run. Long int was not declared in the scope. So here is the output. So size of an integer is showing 4, long int is also 4, character is 1, float is again 4 and double is 8. these values will basically depend upon the compiler. So maybe your machine will show you two value for the integer. Okay, so it will depend upon that. So guys, if you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share the video with your friends. Thank you guys, thank you so much.